Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for in-depth reviews of the most talked about products. Today, we're diving into the best electric blanket heated throw fleece reversible on the market, the Berkshire blanket heated throw in the elegant sandshell color. If you're looking for luxurious warmth, unmatched comfort, and an intuitive heating experience, stay tuned. In just 5 minutes, you'll know if this blanket deserves a spot in your home. Let's start with first impressions. The Berkshire heated throw immediately stands out for its ultra-soft, reversible design. One side features loft mink fleece that feels velvety to the touch, while the reverse boasts a plush Sherpa-styled texture that's equally cozy. It's sized at 50 by 60 inches, making it ideal for lounging on the couch, adding warmth to your bed, or keeping you comfortable at your office desk during those cold workdays. One of the most compelling things about this blanket is the seamless blend of style and function. The sandshell color gives it a clean, neutral tone that fits into virtually any home decor. Whether you're going for modern minimalism, rustic cabin vibes, or a traditional cozy setup, this blanket won't look out of place. This model offers 5 heat settings, allowing you to tailor the warmth to your comfort level. Whether you need just a touch of heat on a brisk morning or full-on warmth during a winter chill, this throw has you covered, literally. The controls are user-friendly with a simple button interface, so there's no fuss or frustration. But warmth alone isn't enough, safety matters too. That's why Berkshire includes an automatic shut-off feature. After 3 hours of use, the blanket turns off by itself. This is ideal for peace of mind, especially if you tend to fall asleep while relaxing. No need to worry about overheating or wasting electricity overnight. From a practical standpoint, the blanket is machine washable. Just detach the controller and throw it in the wash. It's designed for daily use, so you won't have to baby it like some other luxury textiles. The wiring is discreetly woven into the fabric, so you won't feel bulky cords as you snuggle up. What really sets this product apart is the experience it creates. Imagine coming home after a long day, wrapping yourself in a blanket that feels like a warm hug, and letting the gentle heat melt away the stress. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show, reading a book, or just enjoying a cup of tea, this heated throw enhances the moment. Durability is another strong point. Users consistently praise Berkshire for long-lasting quality, and the construction of this throw suggests the same. The stitching is tight, the fabric resists pilling, and the heat distribution is even throughout the surface. That means no cold spots or awkward bunching. Honestly, anyone who values comfort and warmth, whether you live in a cold climate or just like to stay extra toasty, this blanket delivers. It's especially great for older adults, people with poor circulation, or anyone who wants to cut back on central heating by staying warm in their personal space. To wrap it up, the Berkshire blanket heated throw offers premium comfort, customizable warmth, thoughtful safety features, and elegant design all in one product. It's not just a seasonal item, it's an all-year comfort essential. If you're ready to elevate your cozy game, this heated throw should be on your radar. You can check it out through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest reviews on home essentials, tech, and lifestyle gear, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Stay warm, and we'll see you in the next video.